Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up Bumble, only way. Open the Bumble app and tap Create Account, then use your phone number or Facebook to sign up quickly and securely. Add 3 to 5 honest photos showing different parts of your life and set your profile prompts to reflect your personality. Verify your profile for more visibility and adjust your discovery settings to match your age and distance preferences. Craft your bio with a friendly opener, a hobby or interest, and a light question to encourage replies. Use 3 prompt answers that reveal hobbies, humor, or values rather than listing facts. Link your Instagram and Spotify to give more context and make it easier for matches to connect over shared tastes and experiences when they view your profile. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, life is too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling crisp and confident between dates or after a long commute. It's a small, funny upgrade that can boost your confidence when heading out to meet someone new. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize safety by keeping conversations on the app until you feel comfortable sharing personal details. Use the video and photo verification features to confirm matches are genuine and always meet in public places for first dates. Set your message filters to control who can contact you and never hesitate to block or report anyone who behaves inappropriately or seems suspicious.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.